Indoor comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about the quality of the air you breathe and how your home feels day to day. Older windows can quietly contribute to stale air, drafts, and inconsistent temperatures, all of which affect comfort and well-being. For homeowners in Redmond, upgrading to replacement windows is an effective way to improve indoor air quality while creating a more comfortable living environment. Reducing drafts and unwanted air infiltration. One of the most common issues with older windows is air leakage. Small gaps around frames or worn seals allow outside air to enter the home uncontrollably. This can bring in dust, pollen, moisture, and outdoor pollutants. Replacement windows are designed with tight seals and improved construction that significantly reduce air infiltration. In Redmond homes, this helps keep outdoor contaminants out and creates a cleaner, more controlled indoor environment. Supporting better ventilation when you want it. While uncontrolled air leaks are a problem, intentional ventilation is essential for healthy indoor air. Replacement windows offer smooth operation and reliable opening mechanisms, making it easier to let fresh air in when conditions are right. For Redmond homeowners, being able to open windows easily encourages natural ventilation, which helps remove stale air, odors, and indoor pollutants while refreshing living spaces. Improving temperature consistency throughout the home. Older windows often create hot or cold spots near window areas, making rooms feel uncomfortable. This uneven temperature distribution can discourage ventilation and affect overall comfort. Replacement windows use insulated glass and improved frames that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. In Redmond homes, this means rooms feel comfortable from wall to wall, encouraging better airflow and more enjoyable living spaces. Reducing moisture and condensation issues. Excess moisture inside the home can lead to mold growth and poor air quality. Older windows are more likely to develop condensation, especially during cooler periods. Modern replacement windows help regulate surface temperatures and reduce condensation buildup. For Redmond homeowners, this means drier indoor conditions, healthier air, and reduced risk of moisture-related problems. Blocking outdoor pollutants and allergens. Windows that don't seal properly allow outdoor allergens such as pollen and dust to enter the home. Over time, this can negatively impact indoor air quality. Replacement windows create a stronger barrier between the indoors and outdoors. In Redmond homes, this added protection helps maintain cleaner air and a more comfortable environment for occupants. Enhancing comfort through noise reduction. Comfort also includes how peaceful your home feels. Older windows often allow outside noise to travel easily indoors, contributing to stress and discomfort. Replacement windows use multi-pane glass and tight seals to reduce sound transmission. In Redmond homes, quieter interiors support relaxation, focus, and better sleep. Encouraging a healthier living environment. By reducing drafts, blocking pollutants, controlling moisture, and supporting proper ventilation, replacement windows contribute to a healthier indoor environment overall. For Redmond homeowners, this improved air quality supports better daily comfort and a more enjoyable living experience. Energy efficiency that supports comfort. Replacement windows improve energy efficiency by reducing heat loss and gain. When indoor temperatures remain stable, heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. In Redmond homes, this results in improved comfort and reduced energy strain, further enhancing indoor conditions. Long-term benefits for Redmond homes. The benefits of replacement windows extend well beyond appearance. Improved air quality, consistent comfort, reduced noise, and better temperature control all contribute to a higher quality of living. For Redmond homeowners, replacing old windows is a smart investment in both comfort and health. A comfortable, healthier home starts with better windows. Replacement windows play a key role in improving indoor air quality and comfort. By sealing out pollutants, supporting proper ventilation, and stabilizing indoor temperatures, they create a healthier, more comfortable living environment. For homeowners in Redmond, new windows are a meaningful upgrade that enhances everyday life while delivering lasting value.